Grab your leash. Come on, let's go. Come on. Get your leash. Let's go. Good boy. You ready? All right, let's head up. Let's head up. You got your leash? So I'm feeling brave today. We usually don't do trips around town. He can't go much farther than about 2 miles without getting car sick, so we have to always be prepared. He's got his little cover here. And I'm going to be brave taking him down to the beach and trying to beat the rain. So let's see how he does. We made it. He has not thrown up yet. And we beat the rain too. Someone's very excited. We usually only save trips with him for like camping, anything long that'll give him recovery time in between throwing up. But this doesn't happen that often for him. I feel bad. But he's Apollo's the explorer, but he gets sick all the time. Don't know how that happened. You ready, puppy? Come on, buddy. These squirrels are driving him nuts.